Hello students. Now in this one reasoning section, question numbers 1 to 5. It is based on puzzle. How many persons are there? There are some 8 persons. If you observe here, these 8 persons and they are seated around a circular table facing the center is clearly given. And each one of them likes a different color, isn't it? Now if you observe here, the names of these 8 persons are starting with 8 different letters. Hence, rather than writing the entire name, let us represent the names of these persons with the first letter. What are the names we have? KR, Kumar, Raju, Sarath, KRSA, KRSA, TNPM. TNPM are the 8 persons we have. Now these 8 persons are seated around a circular table and they are facing towards the center is clearly given. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then coming to condition number 1 here. And Tarun is seated second to the left of the person who like white. Now Tarun is seated second to the left of the person who likes white. Now let us directly start from here because the persons are facing towards the center. Now the person who likes white is here. If that person white is here, now Tarun is seated second to the left. Tarun must be at this place, isn't it? Tarun is seated second to the left of the person who likes white. Sarath is opposite to the person who is the immediate neighbor of the person who likes white. Now immediate neighbor of this white is this person and this person. Now in the first case, immediate neighbor of white is this person, opposite to that person is Sarath. This is the first possibility, one possibility. Then what is the second possibility? In the second possibility, now how many persons were there? 8 persons were there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now in this case, the one who likes white is here. Tarun is seated second to the left. Immediate neighbor of the person who likes white is this person, opposite to this person, Sarath. Isn't it? Hence, how many possibilities we have? We have 2 different possibilities. First case and second case. Then Sarath is opposite to the person who is to the immediate neighbor of the person who likes white. Kumar is south to the left of Pawan. Pawan, who is an immediate neighbor of Sarath. Pawan is an immediate neighbor of Sarath. Pawan is here. Now in this one, Pawan is an immediate neighbor of Sarath. Pawan can be here or Pawan can be here. Now in the first case, we have 2 possibilities to this Pawan. And in the second case, we have only 1 possibility. And Sarath is opposite the person who is to the immediate neighbor. Kumar is south to the left of the one. Kumar is south to the left of Pawan. If Pawan is here 1, 2, 3, Kumar will be here. And in this case, if Pawan is here 1, 2, 3, Kumar can be here. If Pawan is here 1, 2, 3, Kumar can be here. 2 possibilities. And Kumar is south to the left of Pawan. Pawan who is to the immediate neighbor of Sarath. But Pawan is not opposite to the person who likes white. Now in this case, Pawan is opposite to the person who likes white, and this case is completely ruled out. Now we have left with only this case. Clear now? Now the second case got invalid. Why? Because person, Pawan and white are opposite to each other. According to the given information, Pawan and white should not be opposite to each other. This case is completely ruled out. Now we have left with only 1 case. సరిపోయిందండి. నా ఇక్కడ మనకి నా పవన్ ఈ 2 కేసెస్లో పవన్ కెనాట్ బి హియర్. పవన్ ఇక్కడ ఉంటే మనకి ఏమైపోతాడు? ఆపోజిట్ టు వైట్ వస్తున్నాడు కాబట్టి పవన్ కెనాట్ బి అట్ దిస్ ప్లేస్. యాజ్ పవన్ కెనాట్ బి అట్ దిస్ ప్లేస్, ఫైనల్లీ వీ హ్యావ్ లెఫ్ట్ విత్ పవన్ అట్ దిస్ ప్లేస్. క్లియర్ నౌ? Pawan must be at this place. If Pawan is here, Kumar must be here. సరిపోయిందండి. Now we could able to finalize the positions of this Pawan and Kumar as well. Pawan and Kumar. And people who like black and green are immediate neighbors. Black and green are immediate neighbors to each other. Neighbors either left or right. And next one, person who likes purple sitting south to the right of the one who likes pink. Now pink. Purple is south to the right of the person who likes pink. Purple and pink must be here. Who like pink, and Murali is south to the right of Pawan. Pawan is here 1, 2, 3, Murali is here. Murali is south to the right of Pawan. Pawan who likes yellow. Now this Pawan likes which color? Pawan likes yellow color. Pawan who likes yellow color. Murali is south to the right of Pawan. Pawan who likes yellow color. And next one, person like green is opposite to the person Naresh. Green is opposite to Naresh. Now, if Naresh is here, Naresh cannot be here. Because if Naresh is here, green cannot be at this place. Naresh cannot be here. Now I am talking about Naresh. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Naresh cannot be in these 6 places. Naresh can be in these 2. If Naresh is here, then Naresh opposite, who is that person here? Green. Green can be here. Or Naresh is here, green can be here. Two possibilities. Naresh can be either here or Naresh can be here. Two different possibilities. Naresh is sitting between the person who like Gray and Raju. If Naresh is here, Gray and Raju. Gray and Raju, there is a possible. If Naresh is here, Gray and Raju, Gray must be adjacent to Naresh, not possible. Hence, Naresh cannot be here as well. Hence, finally, where should this Naresh? Naresh must like white color. Follow Tunarani? Now this Naresh must like white color. As Naresh like white color, Naresh is adjacent to the person who likes Gray and Raju. Hence this person is Raju and this is Gray. Naresh is adjacent to Gray and Raju. Saripendandi? Naresh is adjacent to Gray and Raju. And Naresh is opposite to whom? Naresh is sitting between the persons Gray and Raju. Green is opposite to Naresh. As Naresh is here, now this person must like green color. As this person likes green color, black and green are adjacent. Black ikkadaina undachchu, ikkadaina undachchu. Two possibilities. Then who is the person? All the persons were done. Only one more person is left over. Who is that person? A is the person left over. A must like green color. Clear now? Persons were finalized. Naresh is between Gray and Raju. Person who likes blue is opposite to the person who likes purple. Blue and purple are opposite to each other. Blue and purple are opposite to each other. Now let us check out the case for this pink. Pink ekkada undali chuddam. Pink, can pink be here? If pink ikkada unnaru anukoni 1, 2, 3, purple must be here. Not possible. Pink cannot be at this place. Now pink cannot be here, cannot be here, cannot be here. Can pink be here? Now let us check out the possibility. If pink is at this place, then purple is thought to the right of pink. 1, 2, 3, purple is here. Isn't it? As purple is here, purple is opposite to the one who likes, and blue is opposite to purple. Purple and blue are opposite. Then blue will be here. If blue is here, green and black are adjacent. Green is here, this must be black color. Clear now? Now with this we have come to an end of this entire cycle. Saripendandi? Persons fix అయిపోయారు, colors కూడా fix అయిపోయారు. Then coming to question number 1. Who is sitting immediate neighbor of the one who like white? White immediate neighbor K and R, Gray and purple. K and R, Kumar and who is that person here? Kumar and Raju. Kumar and Raju, that is choice 5, question number 1. Then coming to question number 2, who likes the color purple? Tell me the person who likes purple. R likes purple. R, that is choice 1, question number 2. Then coming to question number 3, who is sitting opposite to the one who likes gray? Gray opposite as the one who likes black color. The one who likes black color, that is choice 3, question number 3. Then question number 4, who are the immediate neighbors? Kumar and Murli are immediate neighbors, false. Pawan and Adi immediate neighbors, adi kuda false. Raju and Naresh. Raju and Naresh are adjacent to each other, that is choice 3, question number 4. Then coming to question number 5. In the 5th one, who likes pink color? Tell me the person who likes pink. T likes pink color. Tarun, that is choice 2. Question numbers 1 to 5.